So pretty. Out to the river. Up the river from whence?
Strawberries?
Ohio?
Ohio salmon.
What's your favorite?
Okay, what is it?
It's a toothpick holder. Just recommend whatever that one is.
Red bean paste. So yummy. Chocolate croissant.
This
Okay.
is custard.
Yep.
This is chocolate. This is cherry blossom. And this is the red bean paste. Custard. A
Cherry
little bit
blossom?
better, maybe.
Cherry blossom.
How'd you like that one?
Not. No. Yes.
Is that your favorite?
Terrible.
No, but it's a safe bet.
It's part of Old Town. We are back in the mountains of Japan. We're gonna record them.
So there's still some snow up in these high mountains. You can see up there. It's designed to keep the snow off the road.
Still have a lot of snow here along just the edge of the road.
Bouncy.
Oh, here comes a car.
So he's edging the field. You see that nice clean edge he's putting on it. What it looks like in front.
So many tunnels.
So many tunnels. But boy, are they nice to have.
They are.
Anyway, this is a beautiful cemetery. It's at the base of the hill that goes up this cherry blossom.
So we're just kind of working our way down this hill. And this is Matsumoto Ancient Tomb Hill. And it's completely covered. You can just see how many hundreds of cherry trees that are here. And there's Melora. There's Melora. This is incredible how many cherry trees are here. It's just spectacular. How beautiful. Nico. Domo arigato.
The bridge that's blocked off. There's the Black Castle.
Where are we?
Matsumoto Castle.
Excellent. The only black flatland castle we're gonna see. It's quite the gate.
I would think an easy could get through that one pretty easy.
How that one is set up. Here's the walls. And if the castle was under siege, this is where the daimyo would be. So, yeah, they're screened in ports. We're officially at the wasabi farm. Interesting. This stuff looks like it's ready to go or getting there. Yeah, come on up, there's a little radish.
a huge farm.
This is all spring. Is it good?
He's like our one.
Really?
Yeah. Found it.
Found it.
Move out of the sign. In the gangkon of our room in the onsen. No, the onsen is a hot bath.
Onsen is here.
But what's the name of the hotel?
Ryokan.
It's a ryokan.
It's a good roll on the R. It's a combination of an onsen and a hotel.
So this is our family room slash bedroom. Show how we do the bedroom. Oh, right here. Here's our mats for sleeping.
So this is our robe. If we were to do an onsen, she told us that it was 40 degrees centigrade
Celsius.
which when converted to Fahrenheit is 112. So I'm not getting in. Too hot for me. That seems to be the problem.
The cushion slides on the little chair.
Okay, we'll pull it back up again.
The back of the chair.
Looks yummy. Looks so good. We went to their farm.
To a farm.
Okay, this fish is called an ayu. It's the main fish from the Chikuma River, the river that runs down the middle of our town. And your steamed dish is this chawan mushi. It's like a steamed egg custard.
Okay.
A raw egg, crack it in a bowl, and you mix it up with your chopsticks, and that's your dipping sauce.
Okay. And then this is raw, right? Sashimi?
Sashimi.
Okay.
Is
Is this to dip it in?
And you can keep the little petals of the chrysanthemum and sprinkle them into your soy sauce. That's it.
Oh, I'll do that.
Another way is, you know how you never know when you're gonna die? So it might be good to start with the best part first, which is the sashimi.
So you don't get filled up.
Sashimi.
Look at these little clams in here. Did you see the little tiny clams?
Go for it.
You need
Go
a
for it.
fork?
Go.
I hope this didn't give me a
By
stomach.
the
ache,
sushi.
right?
What's this green stuff? I'm eating this, Tom.
What is that?
Malora and
You're
Thomas.
cooking your salmon?
I am.
Thomas is cooking your salmon.
I
thought
could
you
not
liked your
eat
salmon.
any more of this fish, and David won't eat it. It's been cooked and
It's a
pickled.
baby glow-in-the-dark squid.
It's really yummy. It's not chewy at all.
Very vinegary.
She went after the pudding.
Look, a little stack of dishes right there.
It clears my space. I eat one and finish and put it away.
More?
More, just a little bit more.
Eileen, what do you think
Oh,
it is?
sorry.
I like this.
Do you think it's bean paste?
No,
No, it's not.
there's only a little bit more left, David.
That's perfect.
David's finished off our plate of beef. We still have a few leftover odds and ends.
And lots of rice.
No, the rice is gone.
I tried.
You did awesome.
Lots of rice.
The weakest link.
A little bowl.
Full from our 10 or 12 course meal, and now we're gonna play cards.
Move the table out of the room and put your bed down.
That's exactly what happened.
What is this?